I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Peacock TV account on all devices. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to peacocktv.com, and then sign into your account if prompted. Step 2. Click your profile icon on your Peacock TV home screen. You'll land on the Who's Watching screen. Step 3. Click Account. Your Peacock TV account screen is shown. Step 4. Select Devices in the menu along the top of this screen. You'll see a list that shows you the device you're currently logged into Peacock TV on, and then all of the other devices that are signed into your Peacock account. You'll see the name of each device, the date and time that each device was used to access your Peacock account, and the city and state associated with each device. Step 5. Click Sign Out All. A window pops up asking if you want to sign out of all devices from your Peacock account. Step 6. Click Sign Out All Devices. You'll see a note on the next screen that lets you know that you've been signed out of all devices connected to your Peacock TV account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.